that I'm seeking.
OOTD, outfit of the universe. Okay, here is my New York Giants hat, shirts from Orphans, shorts from Katangwa, belt from Ramanjado store, sister from Good.
Many unbearable moments later.
Sunscreen, lip gloss, a speaker, a flash drive for the speaker, glasses, AirPods. And we have this bag. This bag, there are a lot of like stuff inside. My mascara, lip liner, more lip gloss. Like these are like lip liners and stuff. Inside this bag. Yeah. White shirt, like a crop white shirt. It has this beer on it. Okay. Then I have these shirts and yeah, okay. And my slippers.
Oh hell no, man! What the fuck, man?
This is from Trade Fair and this is from my
Trade Fair is not some fancy store that you think.
Stop! This is from my mommy. This is from Miniso. This is from my mom. This is from Miniso and this is from
You don't care.
my friend. Yeah. A vlog now.
Is it for Snapchat?
No.
I'm not going to the community like this. I tell you, I say sometimes they will go for community.
I'ma show you how to move.
Okay guys, we're outside in the city of Lagos, about to turn this place up. Let's go. I feel like you're going for a concert.
Your face is dark.
My cameraman.
Hey, oh yeah.
My camera person.
I'm not a camera person.
Yeah, you're my camera person. We're gonna turn up city of Lagos tonight.
Mommy, say hi to my vlog.
Three days later.
Hey guys, so it's 3 days later. It's 3 days later and we're going to the beach again because last time we could not go, but now we're going again. What's today's date? Today is 5th of January and yeah. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. This blue shirt, my crystal necklace, beads, another one. This was one that I wore last time. Then this is from my best friend's sister, this is from my friend, and this is from Trade Fair. And this is from, where is this from? I don't know. Yeah, blue jeans. and binding. Cast and bind.
I'm sure people will be listening. Go from God.
Up to the ceiling. Your hands up to the ceiling. Everybody get down if you feel me. Come and put your hands up to the ceiling. Your hands up to